Well, the last class we have derived two formulas, e to the power ax into sin bx into dx, and as well as e to the power ax into cos bx. In addition to that, 6 more formulas we have derived earlier: 1 by x square minus a square, 1 by a square plus x square, 1 by x square minus a square, and as well as 1 by root of a square minus x square, 1 by root of x square plus a square, and 1 by root of x square. This last 3. Among these 9, one will be there, it is a expected quotient, 100% sure a bit will be there on this. It in the sense a problem, and as well as he will ask you to derive that expression, okay, any one of them out of these 9. So, this is very, very important. Out of 100, 5 marks you can score very easily if you solve all the 9 correctly. You do understand? One will be there in the examination. Now, the first one, root of x square plus a square into dx. You can solve in 2 ways, one by the method of substitution, another by using integration by part method. Okay. Here let us solve by integration by part method. Here you take this as square root of x square plus a square into 1 into dx. I can take, the value will not change if I write in this way. Okay. Now, integrating by parts. Okay. Right. So, here choosing the function is very, very important. You should not choose first function as 1. What happens in the second term in the integral, when you differentiate 1, it will become 0. So, therefore, you should not take first function as 1. So, first function as root of x square plus a square you must take. Okay. What is the rule here? First function, keep it as it is, that is x square plus a square into integration of the second. What is integration of 1? It will be x. So, therefore, it is x minus integral of, as it is you take under the integral sign, same thing. So, x into differentiation of first, general formula differentiation of root x is, I have given you 1 by 2 root of x, but instead of x what you have, x square plus a square, that should be differentiated again. So, therefore, apply the usual formula 1 by 2 into root of x square plus a square, but differentiation of x square plus a square, in this case you must treat this a square as constant. Its differentiation will be 0. What is the derivative of x square? It is 2x. So, therefore, it is 2x into dx. You need not write 2x plus 0. One more step you have to write again. It is understood, d by dx of x square plus a square is 2x plus 0. Now, simplify it further, x into root of x square plus a square minus this and this will cancel. Okay. Minus integral of, it is x square divided by root of x square plus a square into dx. After cancelling 2, this 2 and 2 will go, 1x is already there in the numerator, one more term here, x into x is x square by this. Okay. Now, what you do here, this step is very, very important. X into root of x square plus a square, add a square, subtract a square. Suppose if I add and subtract the same term, the value of the expression does not change, it remains the same. See, cancel these 2, again you will get what? X square only. So, I am adding a square, same thing is subtracted, divided by, it is a root of x square plus a square into dx is the next step. Okay. Now x into root of x square plus a square minus integral of, split it in the sense you express that as sum of the two terms. How? These two together you take it as 1, that is x square plus a square by root of x square plus a square. In other words, separate the denominators. X square plus a square by root of x square plus a square minus a square divided by root of x square plus a square. I can write like this, the value will not change. I hope you got it. Okay. Now the next step, x into root of, it is x square plus a square minus integral of. You observe this step, this x square plus a square. How do you write x as taking the root? Root x the whole square is what? X. Root a the whole square is a. Root b the whole square is b. Similarly, this x square plus a square, I can write it as square root of x square plus a square the whole square. I can write, value will not change, by root of x square plus a square. Artha aita? Like x, root x the whole square. In place of x, what you have? X square plus a square is there. I can express this x square plus a square as root of x square plus a square the whole square. Suppose if I take the square of this here, you will get what again? X square plus a square only, minus second term as it is, you keep it for this time being, minus a square by root of x square plus a square into dx. That is the next step. Okay. One root of x square plus a square, root of x square plus where it will go, which is equal to x into root of x square plus a square minus integral of, so root of x square plus a square is left in the numerator, right? So minus of a square by root of x square plus a square whole bracket into, it should be dx. Okay. Here what you do, the initially you take this as I, very beginning, y is equal to integration of root of x square plus a square into dx. Now remove the bracket, x into root of x square plus a square for this second term, along with the sign you multiply root of x square plus a square into dx. Root of x square plus a square is multiply by negative sign. So minus into minus, it will become plus integration of a square by root of x square plus a square into, separately you can integrate it, right? Now left hand side you have, that is I in all the steps. Initially I took this as I, the same i's I am writing in this way. Okay. Now the right hand side, look at that, I is equal to x into root of x square plus a square. I can replace it by I. Hello, integration of root of x square plus a square into dx is written as what here? I. So plus, since a square is a constant, that you take outside, a square into integration of dx by root of x square plus a square. Right? Now transforming this minus I to the left hand side, or taking minus I to the left hand side, it becomes plus I. So I plus I, it will become 2I. Bring this to the left hand side, is equal to x into root of x square plus a square plus a square into, there is a formula I have given you, dx. Well, long back I took, probably you might have forgotten. integration of dx by root of x square plus a square is nothing but it is log of x plus root of x square plus a square. This side. See, at last we shall have. Okay. This is the formula you have. Integration of dx by root of x square plus a square is log of x plus root of x square plus a square. So, from this we want I. Therefore, I is equal to x by 2 into root of x square plus a square plus x a square by 2 into log of, it should be x plus root of x square plus a square plus c will be the formula, where what is I, you see, root of integration of root of x square plus a square into dx. Always you remember x by 2 root of x square plus a square by 2 log of x plus root of x square plus a square. So, simple example I will give you. It is, say for example, root of, it is x square plus 4 if it is given. You need not work out in detail. So, you should remember this formula. Only the thing is you have to write what is the value of a. How do you write this one? This can be written as integration of square root of x square plus 2 square I can write. Right? So, in the formula wherever you find a, it is replaced by 2. So, therefore, the answer is, which is equal to x by 2 as it is you write down into root of x square plus 2 square, it is 4 of course, a square by 2, 2 square by 2, it is log of x plus root of, it should be x square plus 2 square plus c will be the answer. It is a direct application. Okay. Just you go through once again quickly. See here. This can be solved only by integration by parts, or else by the method of substitution also you can solve by taking x is equal to a tan theta. That is little lengthy. You should remember the trigonometric formulas there. Conversion you should know. So, for that what you do, it is better you solve this by parts. Okay. So, first function root of x square plus a square into 1 into dx I can take. Integrating by parts, keep the first function as it is, integration of 1 is x minus integral of the same thing you take under the integral sign, differentiation of the first term. General formula root x is 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 2 into root of x square plus a square into, since it is a composite function, it is a function of a function, in the sense in all those standard integrals, instead of x if you find any other term, that is to be differentiated again, that you should remember. So, that is what I did. X, I am applying usual formula 1 by 2 into root of x square plus a square into d by dx of other than x, what you have, x square plus a square. When you differentiate, this will be 2x, you should not write this as 2a, 2a alamatte, constant, it is constant, therefore it is 0, let it be anything. Now, x into root of x square plus a square minus integral of x square by root of x square plus a square into dx, it remains. This part is important here. Okay. What you have to do? Add a square and subtract the same thing. X square plus a square minus a square I took by root of x square plus a square. Okay. Separate the denominators. That is what I did. And in the numerator, that x square plus a square I can write it as using the irrational number, that means root of x square plus a square the whole square I can write by root of x square plus a square minus a square by that. Okay. Now, one root will go, this entire you keep as it is, first term till the last step, then root of x square plus a square minus a square by root of x square plus a square into dx, it becomes, this will be along with the sign. See, here you will do the mistake, that is very, very important part. I told you, when you have negative sign outside, sum of the two terms if it is there, so always you remember multiply by negative sign to both the terms. So that is what I did, you see here, minus, but minus into minus it becomes a plus here. Okay. Then you see this is replaced by I took the beginning, very first step, or else you can write like this here. You take this as equation 1. From 1, this is replaced by I. Okay. By the side you can write down. Bring this to the left hand side, I plus I, 2I it becomes. This you keep it as it is, but this is the formula you have, we have derived. Among those 9, one of the formula I have given you. Dx by root of x square plus a square is always, you remember, log of x plus root of x square plus a square it is. Okay. So we want I is what? Root integration of root of x square plus a square into dx. So dividing throughout by 2, or else it is understood. If I take I, so you must divide on the right hand side by 2. So x by 2 into root of x square plus a square plus a square by 2 into log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. Okay. So example, simple example they will give in the examination also. Here you must write this 4 as 2 square, you can write down. Okay. Sometimes he will give the quadratic expression. That also we have done, how to make it a perfect square. X plus half of the coefficient of x the whole square plus constant term minus square of the half of the coefficient of x. Okay. So that formula you must use, and wherever you find x you must replace that value. This is formula number 6. 6 is over 7. Now 8th one you see, integration of root of x square minus a square into dx. Okay. Again integrate it by parts by taking in this way only. It is minus. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒರೆಸ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದೇ, ಪೇಪರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ದಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ಇನ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್. ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು 1 into dx you have. Now integrate it by parts, therefore which is equal to, which is first function as it is you keep root of x square minus a square, integration of 1 will be x minus integral of, it is x as it is, differentiation of first it will be 1 by 2 root of x square minus a square. This you should not forget to write. Here you will do the mistake. This is very, very important part. Then this 2 and 2 will go, which is equal to this, you take it as I only again, then root of or x into root of x square minus a square minus integral of x square divided by root of x square minus a square. See, numerator term you must change according to the denominator. Earlier what I did, you see that x square plus a square I made. Here x square minus a square I must make. For that what you have to do, add a square, subtract a square, or else subtract a square and add a square, both are one and the same. So therefore here I will write down like this, x into root of x square minus a square minus integral of x square minus a square plus a square. The value will not change if I write like that, right? Now divided by, it is a root of x square minus a square into, it should be dx. I hope you got it. Okay. Now separate the denominators, x into root of x square minus a square. So here the same thing what we did earlier, x square minus a square by root of x square minus a square plus a square by root of x square minus a square whole bracket into dx, right? Now here this step you observe, that is root of x square minus a square can be written as root of x square minus a square the whole square you can write like we did earlier steps. So here, which is equal to x into root of x square minus a square minus integral of, directly also you can write down, it is understood. So root of x square minus a square the whole square divided by, it is root of x square minus a square plus a square divided by root of, it is x square minus a square, by splitting that into, it is dx. One root of x square minus a square will go. Therefore, it is x into root of x square minus a square. Now, remove the bracket along with the sign, or else one more step if you want you can write down. This will be what? Root of x square minus a square plus a square by root of x square minus a square whole bracket into dx. Remember, this negative sign is not only for the first term, it is for both the terms, right? Now, remove the bracket along with the sign. X into root of x square minus a square minus integral of root of x square minus a square minus into plus minus a square by root of x square minus a square into dx. Okay. One more step you write down here, it is dx minus of this. Okay. Now, this is nothing but on the left hand side you have already I. Therefore, I is equal to x into root of x square minus a square minus I minus a square is a constant that you take outside the integral sign, dx by root of, it should be x square minus a square. Correct? Huh? Bring this minus I to the left hand side, I plus I, it becomes 2I. 2I is equal to x into root of x square minus a square minus a square into, formula is dx by root of x square minus a square is log of x plus root of x square minus a square. So, taking a square outside, therefore, from this I is equal to, it should be x by 2 into root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 into log of, it should be x plus root of x square minus a square plus c will be the answer. How to remember is, see, only the change in the sign, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. x by 2 root of x square plus a square plus a square by 2 it was there. Here it is minus. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So, the same step, more or less almost all the same steps here, only you have to change here, that's all. And sign, regarding the sign, you must be careful while simplifying those terms. Okay? And the last one, it is root of a square minus x square. Okay? Try yourself. So, here the same thing you take, root of a square minus x square 1 into dx, integrating by parts. Correct? Huh? Then first function as it is, shall I rub this one, this over, no? So, which is equal to first function as it is, you write down a square minus x square, integration of 1 will be x minus the same thing x into 1 by 2 into root of a square minus x square. Here this is very, very important. Why I took minus 2x here? because derivative of a square is 0. Derivative of x square is 2x along with the sign. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 2x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Now this 2 and 2 I can cancel. Okay. Which is equal to x into root of, it should be a square minus x square, minus into minus it will be plus. You can bring that negative sign outside the integral sign, plus integration of x square by, it should be root of a square minus x square into dx. I hope you got it. Okay. Now x into root of plus, you add a square from the left. What is that? A square, ಅಥವಾ ಹಿಂಗನ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ rearrange that one. Like that you can also do it. A square x square minus a square plus a square, or else a square minus x square, you take negative sign outside, any one of them you can do it, divided by root of, it is a square minus x square into dx. This step you observe carefully. X into root of, most of the students will do the mistake here only. This is plus. Okay. Here what I will do, what is the denominator term? What is there here? So I want to make that as x square minus a square as a square minus x square between the first two terms. So I will take negative sign outside, so that value will not change. See, remove the bracket, minus into a square minus x minus a square, minus into minus plus x square. I can take like that. Plus as it is, you write down. Remember, this negative sign is only for the first two terms, not for the second term. By, you have root of a square minus x square into dx. Correct? Huh? The next step you see, which is equal to, you simplify. So here, which is equal to x into root of a square minus x square plus, here this you observe, this step, minus into bracket, it is root of a square minus x square the whole square. Remember, I have not taken negative sign under the square. ಒಳಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. I have taken that negative sign outside, divided by, plus this you write it as it is, whole divided by root of a square minus x square into dx. Right? Separate the denominators now. X into root of a square minus x square plus of, this is minus into root of a square minus x square into dx is left. See, outside you have positive now, it makes no difference. Minus, it will become minus only, plus it will be plus only. In case if you find negative sign outside, in that case you have to change the signs, not necessary. Plus, this I am keeping it as it is, plus what you have, a square by root of a square minus x square into dx. Okay. Now x into root of a square minus x square minus integral of root of a square minus x square into dx plus a square into, this directly you can write down sin inverse x by a. There is a formula, integration of dx by root of a square minus x square is a sin inverse x by a. Okay. Therefore, it is x into root of x a square minus x square minus this is replaced by I plus a square into sine inverse of x by a. On the left hand side you have I. So bring that minus I to the left hand side, it becomes 2I is equal to x into root of a square minus x square plus a square into sine inverse x by a. So I is equal to x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a is the formula. Okay. So these are all the 9 formulas are very important. On the definite 100% ಇರ್ತದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 5 marks question. It is a 5 marks question, expected question. ಅದರ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನೇ ಹಂಗಿದೆ, ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತಲೇ ಇದೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಅಮಾಂಗ್ 9ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ರೀ. ಸೊ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ.